Hey yo, what's up YouTube? This is Shazank here with a solid state hard drive to be installed in a 27-inch iMac. So here we go. Here's a solid state in the box. Here's my beautiful 27-inch mofo. And that is the drive that I got, Intel based. Open that up. There we go. Yeah, I'm not gonna put that on my computer. And here we go. There she be. Take that out of the packaging. I opened it earlier. I want to make sure it's the right product. Here we go. SATA connection. Intel. Cool. Alright, and I guess we're gonna install this. Now this is a 2.5 and the computer's 3.5-inch hard drive, right? So I've got these brackets here. It cost me about $6 or so. It's gonna install these and this will make it bigger so it fits in. It's gonna look something like this, I believe. Something like that. So you got the 3.5-inch size and screws will go on the bottom, etc, etc. So I'll pop that puppy in to that sexy mofo right there. Okay, so right now I'm just going to take off the glass from the top there. This is what I bought. I got this at the freaking dollar store. This is some good stuff. Suction cups. Got a whole bunch of them. Just took the two biggest ones. Pop that guy right there. There we go. Pop this guy right here. And I gotta be gentle with this. Alright, so take the hooks. Just pull it like that. It's magnetic. There you go. There's the glass. Make sure it doesn't drop or shatter. Alright, and now for the rest. There was a little tab here that you gotta remove, which came from right here. So you gotta remove that to remove the screen. And what else we got here? I think there may be some other shit. Yeah, like this cable right here. How's that shit come off? Okay, so down here, looks like gotta undo that shit. That tab there, another wire there, and another wire there, if you can see it. It's going to come out. And we're good. There's a monitor. Look at that sexy beast, eh? 27 inches, baby. You know it. Alright. Well, let's see what we got here. So, I took out this guy. This was connected to the monitor. And then we got this guy here, which was that long cable I showed you earlier. That's the left side of the Mac, so take that out. So, we're going to take this guy out and install this fella right here with the brackets. Let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna take out this guy right here, put it in my solid state, so let's do that. Look at that, an official Apple 1 terabyte Western Digital. It's funny. Alright. let's put in this guy. Okay guys, so I put the bracket on. Now on the bottom it's kind of pointless to put on because it doesn't even fit. And the way that these bottom pieces for the other hard drive went in, it had like its own little things that kind of dropped in there. So yeah, these things don't come out. So good luck with those. And time to put in this puppy. Okay guys, sorry about that, battery died, just had to recharge. So I connected everything and blah blah blah. I haven't put the glass back on, but just wanted to make sure, see if everything's working before I put everything back together. So looks like monitor's working. Good, good. Alright. Blank screen. And it should question mark here for a operating system. Come on. Put the glass back on. Oh, there we go. Perfect. So it's asking for the OS. Okay guys, so the SSD is all installed now, so let's check this out. Turn it on. Let's see how fast she boots. Ooh, that's loud. Apple logo. Spinning wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. And look at that, we're already up and running from a cold boot. Just insane, eh? Gotta love that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see this. There you go. It's only 80 gigs, but again, now this is the thing, right? What you gotta understand is, now it's only 80 gigs and this thing came with a terabyte, but if I put all my programs on this volume and then have all my MP3s and video and all that crap on an external, my computer will always be blazing fast. Like, let me show you how fast an internet page loads. Like, it's instant. You don't wait for nothing. Go to Hotmail, go to Google, Gmail, Facebook, ps3.ign.com, and look at that. Look at how fast it loads all the freaking, all the flash and all that. And yeah, it flies, right? There's no waiting. So that's the beauty of this. And that's why you should install an SSD in an i5 iMac.